All right, friends. So today we're talking about new builds in Morgan Hill in particular. Plans in the making for a lot of new development, mostly high density residential. So the four main ones we're going to go over today are the ones that are currently selling or soon to be selling and underway, like construction framing, things are up. They are past the, like grading level, meaning if you're looking to move down here in the next year or so, one of these might be a good fit for you. So we're going to start with the first one, and is right near downtown with the most options as far as floor plans and pricing, and that is the Lumberyard by Daele Homes. There are 7 different plans. They start at $600K and they range up to about 1.1 million. The HOA also has a range depending on how big of a house you purchase there. HOA $280 a month up to about $400 a month, so a good range there. I've included the website. Some pros are you're right next to downtown. Walkability, bikeability, everything downtown Morgan Hill has to offer is right there. A con of this property is going to be the train tracks in your backyard. Now, it doesn't go by super often, but it is Caltrain, so when it goes by, she's loud. Okay, the next one we're talking about is called Manzanita Park by Toll Brothers, the very well-known builder that's built all over the nation. These ones are 2 to 4 bedroom plans. They start at $900,000 and they go up to about 1.3 million. They're really nice. They're 3 level, and you can get to them if you're coming into Morgan Hill South. You can get off on Cochrane exit, or you can actually take the Bailey exit as well, and they're right on the northern part of Monterey of Morgan Hill. So for those of you that are commuting, it's going to be a shorter commute from northern Morgan Hill, obviously, than from southern Morgan Hill, where some of these other new builds are located. So Manzanita Park, the floor plans, they range from 1,350 to 2,425 square feet. The HOA is a little higher than the last one at $529 a month, and that is a flat HOA fee for every unit. They don't vary based on size, and they are offering $500 to $7,500 credit toward closing costs for new buyers. So that always helps out a little bit being a brand new buyer and you're purchasing new construction. So Huntington is actually right next door to Manzanita, very, very close by. I actually walked between both of these with my dog, so very close. Huntington is a little bit further out as far as finishing, like their timeline is behind Manzanita. But if you're looking to maybe not move until late summer next year, or even maybe late next year, Huntington could be an option for you. They are by DeNova Homes. There's 3 plans. They're 2 and 3 bedrooms from 1,400 to 1,800 square feet. I've included the website here for you. Since it is so far out, there's not much information about HOA or any details like that, but definitely stay tuned. This is going to be a good one for people that are a little further out on their search. And last, but most definitely not least, is the Moonstone community at Rosewood, right off of Tennet Avenue, where I'm at. And I know this community well. I've loved it so much since I moved here in December of 2024. So out of all of the 4, I definitely know this one the best right now. So the Rosewood community is by Brookfield Residential, by the way, that's the builder. It's split into 2 sections. There are the duet homes, which are basically single family attached, and then the other half, which is available for purchase now, is the 3-level townhomes. Now the duets are sold through, they're gone. Anything that comes available in there from now on is going to be a resale home, not for sale by the builder. But the tri-level townhomes are still available, and there's some pretty cool deals they have going on if you're interested in this area and the designs that they have, they're really nice. 3 plans right now. 7 homes are available. They have open houses every weekend. If you want to come see one, definitely drop me a comment or a DM. I'm happy to show it to you. I have flexible timing on that. And the HOA is about $425 a month. They cover all of the normal common area things that HOA covers and all of these new builds. If you want details, I can definitely get those to you. But another great opportunity in Morgan Hill, if you can see yourself living in Morgan Hill, drop me a comment. I'm happy to see maybe we can get you into one of these really cool options for first-time homebuyers with brand new construction, so you don't have to worry about all of these things that can go wrong in the older homes. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Bye.